Hello guys. Welcome to CAD Make with a new tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create a helical gear according to sketch dimensions. So let's get started. Go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the line command. Click here in the origin. First we'll draw the sketch and then we will give the dimensions to our sketch. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command. The length of this line is 85 mm, click OK. The angle between these lines is 45 degrees. Click OK. Length of this line is 28 mm, click OK. This one is 26 mm, click OK. Length of this last line is 24 mm, click OK. Again click OK and click on Finish. Now go to the features and click on Revolved Boss command. Make sure the degree is 360. Select this line as a reference. Click OK. Make it normal. Now click on Front Plane. Click Sketch. Go to Line and choose the Center Line command. Draw the first line, passing through the origin. And second one inclined like this. Press Escape to finish the command. Now select this profile. Hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line. Make it collinear. Click OK. And click Finish. In the features, go to the reference geometry and click on Plane command. Select the lower surface as a first reference. And then select the line as a second reference. It's fully defined. Click OK. Here we see we have created a plane. Now right-click Plane 1. Click on Sketch. Go to the line and take the Center Line command. Draw a new center line over previous line like this. Press Escape to finish the command. Now go to the Tool menu. Click on Sketch Tools. Then click on Dynamic Mirror. Select the center line. Now take the Line command. Draw a line here. Again take the Line command. And draw a second line here. Now go to the Smart Dimension command. Length of the half line is 16 mm. Click OK. Length from the midpoint of this line is 5 mm. Click OK. Distance between these points is 25 mm. Click OK. A little zoom it. The distance between this point and the origin point is 75 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now click on 3 points arc command. Draw an arc between these 2 points like this. Click on Smart Dimension command. Give the radius to this arc 40 mm. Click OK. Sketch is fully defined. Now simply click on OK and click Finish. Now go to Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Choose the direction as up to the next. Give the draft angle as 4 degrees. Click OK. Make it normal. Now select the Cut Extruded one. Go to the pattern and click on Circular Pattern. Make sure the degree is 360. Give the number of patterns as 25. With equal spacing. Select this surface as a pattern reference to be creative on. Click OK. Select this plane and click on Hide. It looks perfect now. A little zoom it. Now right-click on this surface. Click on Sketch. Take Circle command and draw a circle here in the origin. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the circle diameter as 50 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Give the direction through all. Click on OK. Here we see we have created a helical gear with 25 teeth. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.